In this video, I'm going to show you how to differentiate these two functions on screen. I'm going to apply the power rule. Let's start with this one. Okay, here before we attempt to apply the power rule, let's try to simplify this function first. Here we have x squared to the power x to the power 1 over 2 to the power 1 over 2 plus 4x to the power 1 over 2 plus 3 to the power x to the power 1 over 3. Okay, here is our first step. So now here we have x. We're going to minus here. We're going to minus these powers. It's 2 minus 1 over 2. 2 minus 1 over 2. Here we have 3 to the power 3 over 5. Oh, sorry, it's 3 over 2. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. And plus here we have power 1. We're going to minus here. And we have 4x to the power 1 over 2 to the power 1 over 2. 1 minus by 1 over 2, answer is equal to 1 over 2. Plus here we have 3 x to the power minus 1 over 2. Now we can apply the power rule. Let's differentiate now. Here we have coefficient 1 multiplied by this power, answer is equal to 3 over 2. 3 over 2. In here we're going to minus by 1. Minus 1 is 1 over 5. It's 1 over 2. So it's 1 over 2. Half times 4 is equals to 2 minus 1 is x to the power minus 1. Minus 1 over 2. Positive 3 times minus 1 over 2. Answer is minus 3 over 2. minus 3 over 2 minus 1 there is minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so let's just try to simplify this answer. It's 3 over 2. Yeah, we have root x, square root x plus 2 over square root x minus 3 over 2 x to the power minus 3 over 2. This one is the final answer. Otherwise you can leave it here. Yeah, it's just a simplification of this answer. Otherwise you can just leave it here. So this one is the final answer. Let's continue. Let's do the last one. Okay, even here, before we attempt to apply the power rule, we have to simplify this function first. So let's go ahead and simplify it. Here we have x to the power 1 over 2, x to the power 1 over 2 divided by 2, divided by x to the power 2, and plus x to the power x to the power 2 let's minus these two powers, so it's 1 over 2 minus 2. Here we have x to the power minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 plus, here we have to the power 1, so it's 1 minus 2, which is equal to x to the power minus 1. Okay, now we can apply the power rule. Then let's differentiate now. Minus 3 over 2 minus 1. There is minus 5 over 2 minus 5 over 2, yes, minus 5. Then here we have coefficient 1 here, positive 1 times minus 1 Answer is minus x, then minus 1. Answer is minus 2. For this one is the final answer.